Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Better Routeplanner (ABRP) app with your account step by step clearly. Open your device and locate the A Better Routeplanner app. Launch the app to access the main interface. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu. The Settings menu is typically represented by a gear icon. Tap on the gear icon to enter the settings. In the settings, look for the option labeled Account or Login. Select the Account or Login option to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your login credentials. Input your username or email address associated with your account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos in your login information. Once both fields are filled, look for a button that says Login or Authorize. Tap the Login or Authorize button to initiate the authentication process. The app will now attempt to validate your credentials. If successful, you will be directed back to the main interface. If you encounter an error, double-check your login details and try again. Once logged in, check for any messages indicating successful authorization. You are now ready to use the A Better Routeplanner app with your account. Explore the features of the app to enhance your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.